Hi guys, my name is Ali and today we are going to understand the nature of the cumulative standard normal probability distribution curve. Well, let's go through each and every word one by one so we can understand what exactly that curve is. Here the word cumulative means to add up or to integrate. So let's suppose the area under the curve till here is 20%. So that's the area under the curve, 20%. If we add 30% in this 20%, which is this area, or that much, if we add 30% in this, then 30 plus 20 will be equal to 50. So that means you have covered half of the curve. The next half will again be 50%, but in the cumulative, we need to continue. So that's why I've drawn these two curves. The standard normal distribution curve, which is that one, if you want to understand it better, then let's extend it that far, and you can see that uh, area till here is 50%, then plus 10%, let's suppose, that becomes 60%, 70, 80 till you reach 100%. So cumulative simply means to add up, and we are adding up the previous probabilities to reach 100% area. If we want to understand it from the table point of view, so let's go to the Z table. In this Z table you can see the probability. Firstly they are saying it here, table entry. So table entry means table entry for Z is the area under the standard normal curve. So this probability is very close to 0%. You simply have to multiply each and every one with 100, so you can convert that to percentage just for better understanding, but with practice you will make sense of these numbers straight away. You don't have to manually calculate each and every percentage just to make sense. So the probabilities are starting from very close to 0, and if we go all the way down, they become very close to 100%, so 0.9998. If you multiply it by 100, that becomes 99.98%. So you can see here, you can even guess by yourself that this 0.5000, that is 50%. So we have covered halfway through, and so these two values, 0% till 100%, they define our definition of cumulative. Now standard normal means that we are, so firstly we work on the normal, then we go back to standard normal. So normal means that if you place a straight line, or we divide the curve into two halves, that means the left hand side is a mirror image of the right hand side. So that's the meaning of normal. Probabilities means that all the probabilities are lying in this curve, and the total probability starts from 0% and they reach 100%. Now standard means that we are going to use a standard table of probabilities, so we can understand, or we can estimate the population parameter or population characteristic through the sample statistic. If we have the standard table, we can easily estimate that, and we do this in different types of tests like Z-test, t-test, and few others. And curve itself means the curve, and we are distributing all the probabilities under this curve. So overall that becomes cumulative standard normal probability distribution curve. You can see on the Z scale that I have produced two values, plus 3.4 and minus 3.4. If you go to the Z table, you can see the maximum values, they are standing at 3.4, which is plus 3.4, and here the minimum are minus 3.4. So the whole scale is between minus 3.4 to plus 3.4, and all the probabilities are lying in this range. Do not confuse the values on the Z scale with the probabilities inside. So when we are saying minus 3.4, so we simply mean that it is minus 3.40. So the probability will be 0.0003, and that probability will place it in here. So it is very close to 0%. If you're talking about plus 3.4, then we will simply scroll down, and you can see at plus 3.4, so plus 3.40 will be 0.9997, and that will be very close to 99.97%, or very close to 100%. Sorry about that. So we have gone through all the terminologies that we are using here. I hope you understood that what is the meaning of cumulative and why these two curves are there. This curve is simply showing the cumulative effect much more precisely than this one. So 50% here, then 60, 70 till we reach 100. Well, that's all from my side. If you have any comments, you can pass those below. You can even call me at 0400 443 265. Thanks for watching. My name is Ali.